Is there a fucking brick in that?
What are you doing? Get the fuck off me, God! Bro, that stinks, that fucking stinks! Fuck! What do you think of it, guys? Like, why? This is all you do! Such a fucking idiot, bro! Do something else with your life! Fuck this, I'm moving out, cunt! You look like you just got jizz on.
That's vanilla, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
You're a fuckwit.
Oh my god. Holy shit, did that work well?
God.
Like 5 minutes, peace and quiet, that's all I fucking asked.
Energy drink, you'll get you up in the bell. Let's
I
go,
don't want to
mate.
be up in the
Let's
back.
go.
Fuck, I can taste the shit out of that cunt. Don't fuck around with food, that's my steak, cunt. That's my steak.
Sorry.
Give me my fucking